Okay, so in this video, we're going to be looking at local time. So this is going to be mostly working with a bit of time zone differences and figuring out how long something takes when it goes from one time zone to another time zone. So to start off with, we're told a flight leaves Glasgow, Great Britain at 8:04. So to begin with, I'm just going to write that departure. So we have our departure time at Glasgow. Local time at 8:04. And then it arrives in Berlin at 11:26 local time. So our arrival is going to be at 11:26. That's going to be our end goal. But we are told that the time in Berlin is 1 hour ahead of Britain. So if you think about the departure time when it was in Berlin, local time, when it is ahead, you add on that hour, or you add on whatever the time zone difference is. So specifically, ahead, we plus. And if it was behind, we take away. So I'm just going to add 1 hour on. So that plane left at 9:04 from in Berlin time. And then all I need to do is get from 9:04 to 11:26 and figure out how long that takes. So you can do whatever method you want. Tons of different ways people go about it. I like to sort of just build it up like so. And then I add those two bits together. So total time is going to be 2 hours and 22 minutes. And that's the question done. Okay. Next one then. Flight leaves Edinburgh, Great Britain at 11:42. So our departure. So Edinburgh, local time. It's at 11:42. And we are going to Toronto. So we need to figure out what time that was in Toronto. So we are told that it is going to be 5 hours behind. So because it's behind, we take away. So going across, we need to take away 5 hours. So that's just going to be 06:42. And then we need to work from that time all the way to our end goal of 13:20. Now, I personally, when I see that the minutes are less on the end, I prefer going to the full hour first. So I'm just going to add on 80 minutes to get that to 07:00. Because I just think that's easier. That's me personally. However you prefer to do it is fine. And then from there, I can quite happily add on 6 hours to get to 13 o'clock. And then I just need to add on, got a bit tight there, 20 minutes. And then adding all that together, so I've got the 6 hours, 80 minutes, add 20 minutes, that's going to be 38 mins. It's the total flight time. Okay, last one then. A flight leaves Lisbon, Portugal at 16:48. So my departure. I'm just going to write Lisbon this time just to save time. So Lisbon local time, it was 16:48. And it is going to Istanbul. So we are told that Istanbul is 2 hours ahead. So Istanbul is going to be 2 hours ahead, and because it's ahead, we plus the 2 hours on. So going from here to here, I'm going to add on 2 hours. So now that is going to be 1848. So I want to go from 1848 all the way to 2331. So add on first 12 minutes so I can get it to a full hour. Then I can add on 4 hours. Then add on 31 minutes. And then I can total all that time together. So I'm going to have 4 hours, 12, add 31. That is going to be 43 minutes. Is the total flight length. And that is all you need to do. So again, the only part that should be the exact same for everyone is just doing this early setup. You can obviously change your end time back, but I think it's a lot easier seeing that word ahead and thinking, right, when something's ahead, I'm going to add, when something's behind, I'm going to take away. Otherwise, it's kind of a bit the other way around. I think that's a bit weird, personally, taking away 2 hours from this. So this step here should hopefully all be the same for everyone. But obviously, working out this total time, everyone has a different layout. Everyone has a different setup. This is how I like to do it. So you can do that if you want, or you can do whatever way you're most comfortable with. Yeah, and that's it.